Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to see everyone you unfriend on the Facebook. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video to follow each step carefully and avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. To get started, open up the Facebook app. Tap on the menu button on the top at the right corner of the screen. Scroll a little down to go to settings and privacy and then settings again. Scroll a little down again and here you can see your activity. Below that you can see activity log. After that you have to scroll the list in the blue and here you have to find add friends. After that you can see your different activities. Here you have the options for the filters. Click on that. After that click on categories and here tap on connections. The third option, connections. Now tap on friends and here you can see removed friends. Tap on that and here you can see the list of all unfriend people. This is how you can easily see everyone you unfriend from the Facebook.